Hi, good evening. Welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the post market analysis. Nifty price action suggests that bulls getting tired. Markets need some breather and consolidation. Profit booking clearly visible at higher levels, which is also a healthy sign for the markets. Nifty strong supports is placed at 19,400, 19,300 zones. Resistance placed at 19,700, 740. Nifty range for now is 19,300 to 19,700. Bank Nifty price action clearly indicates 45,400 remains strong supply area, resistance zones. Supports placed at 44,700 followed by 44,500. Are we topped out? For now is a tough question. Be in quality stocks, reducing leverage longs would be advisable and safe. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care.